Hey guys, what's happening? Lost your 8-ball pool account? Do not panic. Here's how to get it back. First of all, Facebook and Google login. Try logging in with the linked account. Facebook or Apple or Google, right? Next, mini clip ID. If you created a mini clip account, just click to use it and to sign in, right? Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna click forgot password, right? If you have a mini clip, okay? And then follow the steps to recover your own password, okay? Lastly, what you're gonna do, you're gonna contact support. If nothing works, contact miniclip support with username and player. Let me go back to go. Let me go back so I can go to that miniclip and let me yeah this yeah miniclip support. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just try to actually access the support. Basically, you gotta enter your username and player ID, right? And purchase receipt, if any, right? Let me go right here to submit a request. And I'm gonna select the game, which is 8-ball. Excuse me, 8-ball. Then enter the email address, player ID or unique ID. Select the issue, which is, I cannot access my account, related to my account. What kind of problem? I can't log in. What kind of problem you experience with login, right? Which is optional. And then just tell them in details that you can recover your account. Pro tip, always link your account to avoid losing progress. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. We'll catch you in the next time.